Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. So, today in this game what we are gonna do is we will be doing a sports car suspension test with two levels. This, the right one is easy and the left one is hard. Okay? And here we got a Audi R8. Okay? First we're gonna test this real quick. And let me just put accelerator real quick. So yeah, look at this. It is performing good. Okay, and got difficulty level up. The car is stuck. Wow. Let's give it another try. On the on the hard. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Suspension and like going crazy. It didn't pass level 1, but it's passed level 2, the hard one. Congrats, already. Let's get to our next, which is going to be Nissan GDR, one of my favorite cars right now. Okay, and let's see this car. Okay, bro, I just love the suspensions in this car. It is so satisfying to watch. Oh, faster! Let's go. Beep! Audio on it! Okay, let's give it another try. Let's go. Okay, it did not pass. And we got an ad. Not an ad. Let's go. This car, I don't think so. It's gonna pass it. It's super damaged. Oh, what the heck just happened? What just happened? The engine turned off somehow. I'm giving full accelerator, literally back, and the car is not working. What the heck happened? Nothing. Wow. Let me start the car. It is not starting. Wow. Okay. Let's go back. So, the car has failed, both of them. Failed. Okay, we're gonna spawn the G-Wagon real quick. Okay, and I know we're gonna do different cars. I forgot to say that. Sports car. I'm sorry for saying that. Okay, I did not know that I'm gonna do that. This. What the hell? Come on. Yo. Okay, I have passed this one with no difficulties, but the front has changed a lot. Okay. And time for the second one. This car has to perform good. Come on. Let's go. Oh my god, that was a big jump. And yeah, the car survived this past. Okay, now top one favorite car, Toyota Supra. Let's go. Boom! Come on, come on, come on! Come on, come on! Come on, bro! Oh my god, this car is... Especially this car is drifting. Let's try slowly, okay? Let's go, bro. Let's go. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yo, this is actually the first supercar. It's the first supercar to reach here. The GTR engine got off. And our Toyota Supra has been completed. That's happening next. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, nice. Woo. What just happened? Okay, let's see the front. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the heck? It's time for the next car. Kaboom! Yeah, we're gonna get Ford Mustang this time. This is totally not gonna surprise me. Try. Kaboom. Okay, yeah, I'm back. Kaboom. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my god. See the front. Wow, what the? It is not gonna totally. It's totally not going to pass this one. We have a lot of rocks. Okay, it is not gonna pass that one. Let's go to the next one. Kaboom. Bro. Chill. Come. What? What is wrong with you? Okay, we're gonna spawn the Lexus supercar. Let's see how good does this perform. Boom. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Glitch to happen. Your car. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, bro. Come on. Move. This car just totally failed. I'm never gonna try this again. So yeah, bye. Okay, we're gonna try this car out real quick. Okay. First, let me off the net. Okay. Let's go. This car is totally gonna fail. Okay, I don't think so. So I think the winner is Toyota Supra. Yeah, Toyota Supra. So this is where we end the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye.